Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the skull and crossbones, but instead of bones they're going to be swords. So what we're going to start off doing, I'm going to get into it straight away, what we're going to start off doing is a skull. Start there, and you're going to go round to about there, and then go down in a rectangle shape, look, square, more of a square shape, and then we're going to do 4 lines probably, coming up like that. So that is the skull's teeth. This is the skull, it's a cartoon skull. Now we're going to draw its nose. It's going to draw 2 dots. Like so. Now for the eyes. So the eyes are like big black holes. So I'm going to draw 1 circle. I'm going to draw another circle. And I'm going to colour it in. Take a pen. Like that. Now we're going to draw some eyebrows. So just draw 2D shape, like a bubble shape, like that, and colour them in. Because it's a cartoon one, so it can have eyebrows that look like that. And then if you want, you could make it have an eye patch. So from here, go across here, and then from here, across like that, and just square it up a little. Make it look a bit more like an eye patch and less like an eye. You don't have to do that though, you can leave yours like it is. Just going to thicken this line a bit. There we go. It looks a bit like it's wearing sunglasses actually. But now we're going to draw the swords. Now this is very simple. I'm going to just draw 2 dots here, here. That is where the tip of the sword's going to be. Now I'm going to draw the inside of the sword. Going down to there. Draw a line across. And then join it up. All the way to the top, like that. And then we're going to draw a line in the middle. Draw a line coming down from there, line coming down from there, like that, like a V shape. We'll start from there, go all the way up the middle, and join up with the bottom of that V. And then we're going to draw the end of the sword, the handle. Straight line across, and curve at the sides. Carry the curve on, round, back up, across, curve it round, like that. Then we're going to draw the base of it, curve it round a bit like that. And also curve that round. And just draw some lines like that, and like that. Now we're going to draw the other one, and this one is in front of the other one. So we're going to start here and go down, stop there, then go down and stop there. Draw the V, have that little bit there, and go from the middle right to the top, like that. And then imagine that carries through, so about there, and that about there. Only going to carry it on a little bit, like that, like that. And then we're going to do the handle again, it's just exactly the same. Curve it round, across, curve it round, round, back in, across, back in, like that. And then draw the handle, imagine it carries through, maybe go a bit inside, curve round, and back up, then just draw the lines. Like that. Draw these lines a bit kind of diagonal and across a bit, so it looks a bit like they've wrapped some like leather around it and it's not perfectly equal, like that. But that is the outline of the skull and crossbones done. I'm now going to colour it in. It doesn't need much colouring in because they're white, and I'm going to colour in with light blue for the shadows. So thank you for watching this video. Look out for my next one because it is a good one.